Today we're going to build a wood storage rack system for the farm. Unfortunately, if you don't have a forklift, this isn't a project for you, but it works great on the farm. Because first off, I cut it, I split it, I stack it on a truck, then I unstack it in a barn, then I restack it on the truck, then I move it to the porch, then I move it into the house, then I throw it in the stove. That's 8 times I handle each piece of wood. So I'm trying to minimize that, and then I can move it around on these with the tractor, and really cuts my handling time. The most important part is how you attach the verticals. If you put your nail through here and nail this into the side, the first time you pick it up, it's going to pull out. That's pull out. What you want is you want your nail to be in shear, like these. This pushing this way, that has to break the nails or break the board to pull this out. So you want everything in shear. So the way I figured out to do that is put a block in here, both sides, nail down through here and up through the bottom, and we're going to put these inside so that they're pushing this way, and that puts all the nails in shear here, and these can't push out. If you put them here where the forklift slot is, you don't have anything to nail to. You can see the same pallet is completely different on the other end. You just kind of have to work it out. What works best for me, 4 inches in, 2 3/4 inches up, 17 inches over to the other side. And then you just reverse that on this side, 4 inches, 17 inches, 2 3/4 up. Be sure you mark your holes before you put your nails in, otherwise you might end up with a nail inside your cut. Once you get them marked, use a 3-inch hole saw and cut through. Every pallet you buy is a little different. You can see where these boards lay out and where the holes went. Quick note, both of my stoves take 16 to 18 inch pieces of wood. That's why these holes are set so that a 16-inch piece will fit inside and not fall out. If you're running 24 to 30 inch pieces of wood, you could move these out and nail it to the outside through here, and then move over and put one on each side of the center brace. Just be aware of the fact that if you do that, anything less than 17 inches is going to fall through. I've tried a number of different designs for the top, but you have to brace this so that it doesn't spread out with a load under it. So the best way seems to be to put a runner across the top, and then I have lots of electric fencing wire, so I just use that to tie it in. I've put 4 across here, I've put 2, I've tried different things. The best seems to be to put 2 in the middle, and you can tighten them up as they get loose. As you can see, I just drilled a hole through the center, 2 places, bring it through, tighten it up. This is a 14 and a 16 inch piece of wood. You can see why I put the verticals at the centers that they're on. That keeps the small pieces from falling through. I've experimented with several different designs. This is one of the earlier ones that I worked out. You can see what it looks like full of wood.